What's up everybody? This is Nicole Glass and today I'm going to talk about keywords, as you can see on my screen. So if you're a contributor on Shutterstock or any stock photography platform for that matter, you've probably realized that it takes a lot of time to enter keywords when you upload your photos, especially if you're trying to get all 50 keywords with each of your submissions. Now, if you're a contributor on multiple stock photography platforms and you want to upload those photos to multiple platforms, you don't want to spend all day typing out those same keywords again and again and again for every platform, because that's really time consuming. So what can you do to make this process faster? Well, it's actually really easy to embed those keywords into your photo so that every time you upload your photo to a stock agency, the keywords will automatically be attached to it and will automatically show up with your upload. So here's how you do it. First, we're going to go into Lightroom. And just as an example, we're going to be using this photo right here, which is a photo of a snowman. And this snowman happens to be wearing my hat, my gloves, and my sunglasses. So you better like him, because I sacrificed a hat for that. Good thing I have lots of other hats. Anyways, okay, so now we've got Lightroom open. And you can see that I have chosen my lovely photo of a snowman. So we're going to go and click on Library. And on the right hand side of Library, you see all of these little different tabs: Quick Develop, Keywording, Keyword List, Metadata, Comments. And we're going to go into Keywording. So click on that. And this is going to open up your Keywords tab. You can enter keywords manually. You can also click on keyword suggestions that Lightroom gives you. So for this picture, I'm just going to enter a few keywords because I'm just showing you how this works. But ideally, if I'm uploading a photo to Shutterstock or a different platform, I will enter as many as possible, as close to 50 keywords as I can get. So for this, we're going to put snowman, snow, capital, United States, America, house, Senate, sunglasses, hat, winter, cold, National Mall, etc., etc. These are just a few examples that are given without too much thought. But of course, when you're doing this for real, you're going to want to enter many, many more keywords than that. So now we've got our keywords in there. So now we are going to export the photo. I have a folder called stock, so I'm going to export it into that. So now I'm going to open up a new tab. So I've got my tab open, and now I'm just going to drag my lovely snowman photo into the upload screen and wait for it to upload. So we're going to click on that, and on the right hand side here, you can see that the keywords I entered in Lightroom are now automatically uploaded to Shutterstock with the photo. Pretty cool, right? It definitely makes your life a lot easier if you're uploading your photos to multiple stock platforms. If you're only a contributor on one stock platform, this might not be that useful, but if you put your photos in many different places, this will definitely save you a lot of time. So hopefully this was helpful to you at all. Again, just a super quick video. I remember when I learned about this, I got very excited. Hopefully this helps you out, saves you a little bit of time, and helps you get your photo up in many different places. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tip. Enjoy the rest of your day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give it a thumbs up, because that would make me super happy. Till next time.